Hi everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA, and here's a follow-up. We're doing open heart surgery in this future food forest in a backyard in Redondo Beach. I just want to point some things out to you because when it's finished, it's going to look totally different than what it looks like now. One of the things that actually survived was the ceanothus. It's a California native plant, so it'll attract the right type of insects that we want for pollination for our fruit trees. We've got quite a few fruit trees here. But it's also not just about fruit trees, but it's also about pollinators. So I have this California, it's called a toyon plant, and it's a California native. Again, we're trying to do as much native as possible. We do have a few fruit trees. We're going like this is a plum, for example. This is one of my favorites. This is a Pakistan mulberry tree. Fabulous. It gets, I swear, about that big. They taste like blackberries, but they're really long, like the size of a ink pen. And this thing's going to get big and beautiful and kind of create a nice canopy for us. We have the old tree that was here, my palm tree. We're composting it, just letting it do its thing, turn it into compost. Right here, we actually have a fountain that's going in. It's going to have a statue with a rain, curtain of rain, and so it's going to be powered by a solar pump. Over here, we planted a banana tree already. We've got a Thompson seedless grape over there. We've got a blackberry bush over here. This was one of the survivors because it's a fruit tree. It's called a loquat tree. Has really nice fruit to it. This is a strawberry tree called the arbutus tree. It actually has fruit that resembles a strawberry, so that's why we left it. Here's a couple of citrus. And over here is a Haas avocado. We have another California plant here, California myrtle tree. And then over here we have a cherimoya. It has fruit that actually tastes like dessert. So it's really good. Another California native. Over here we have a plum tree. Here's another citrus. Over here we have a pear, and we have a couple of apple trees here. This one we're actually going to espalier. We're going to pin it against the wall so it'll be espaliered. And it's got like the Dorset, it's got the Anna, it's got the Einsheimer, it's got the Fuji, it's got Beverly Hills apple. All these are grafted into one tree. We love this tree so much, we planted two. And then this one over here is a pear tree. It's a ultra dwarf pear. It grows about 6-7 feet tall. It grows about that tall, and it'll get full of fruit. And then we have our wonderful passion fruit. So this is actually going to grow along the wall. It's going to go that way, and it's going to go that way. It's going to just make a green wall, probably all the way to the front yard eventually, if it's here long enough. We're going to fill in the pathways. We got the border in today. We're going to put in over here a DG pathway with landscape fabric all along right here. And today we got the vegetable garden. We kind of gave it this kind of neat flair. We got the irrigation in. Here's the rainbird irrigation. And then we got different patches of it put together. This is called a polycropping. So we got different types of things, tomatoes, lettuce, even some squash. Now this is December. It's real gutsy to do squash this time of year, but we're going to go ahead because this is California after all. It's the land of plenty. And so anyway, tomorrow we'll do another follow-up video. We did our first one when we did our demo. This is now a follow-up on what's going on. This is open heart surgery. Tomorrow or the next day we'll finish and we'll do a completed video. Anyway, Mike with Enviroscape LA signing off. When you think